I'm doing it now.
Okay, got it.
Okay, let's continue.
So
Okay.
yeah, we can see, click on delete me, where you clicked on delete me, we can see the code is there.
Yes.
Wow.
And so,
What we want to do is move this to one line.
Yeah,
yeah.
Okay.
just fat arrow it.
Can't you see Elbeck? Like Barim is going to take your job.
No, no, I'm not there. No.
And the only difference between the command that been executed is an argument. Like when you go to click on the button you showed us, there is in parentheses --hard.
That's just hard.
And this is
Yeah,
an argument
but below one.
that if you put --hard with the same command, if you put get reset .hard and then head and do everything, it will erase the code too. So it's just that in the button, in Visual Studio button, they put the argument --hard.
Brother, you don't need
And we
these
didn't.
categories as well.
We don't need the curly braces?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, you have to get rid of it.
Yeah, because it's
Because
one-liner. And
the scope is
Okay, got it.
only on one line. Do you remember?
Yeah, like this.
Of the scope, when it's on a single line, we do not need to. We could put the scope on a single line, but like it's redundant, so they got rid of it when they built the program.
And in line 14, we don't need it. So you can get rid of
need that
this.
either?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. And yeah, it looks fine. And I learned a new thing for myself. And do we have the file header? Let's check that. Can you go up a little bit?
The copyright thing.
Yes,
You mean the copyright?
Copyright. Yeah, I mean copyright. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, everything is there.
Yeah, it's very good. So we have delete me inside. Okay. Okay. I guess you are good to commit. Let's see.
I got to change. Okay, so step away.
Look, yeah, that's the problem I was talking about. So it's a 3 incoming commits. How do we delete something in the,
Remote branch.
in the remote branch?
Yeah.
No, just right click and revert back.
On the incoming?
No, the down. So because he is just listing, you have 3 files check out in the down in your change list, change set. See the down. Next to delete me.cs next.
A pencil icon below beside the branch name.
Next after that, just right click and I think this is edit. This is go edit something.
Yeah, what if we for example commit and push these changes, does it erase the 3 commits from the remote as well?
Yeah, I think so. Like I think that you can push and we'll see only 1 commit. Maybe you can dig and see everything, but I don't think so.
Yeah, but otherwise
we can see, and we'll see. We'll like that. Like if we do it, we are going to have the answer. So why not? Like that, we'll know.
Yeah, let's. Yeah, brother, otherwise, please help us with that.
Actually, I have no idea for that. So I think it will not delete, because if we put the --hard reset, that will be the delete the root branch in the source. So this without hard, it will remove the local changes, but it will not remove the origin changes. So I think it will not.
But the changes are not on the origin; they are on this branch, because this is not a branch from the origin.
Yeah, this is my branch.
Yeah, so maybe I'm wrong, but my bet would be that it's going to work.
Okay,
I might be wrong, and I would love to learn if I'm wrong or not. And if we are doing something right now else than that. I will never know if I'm wrong.
Yeah. Okay, let's do a commit, brother Burim.
Commit all.
Yeah,
So
you
have
need to
put,
write
the
message,
infra.
all caps infra. Initialize.
Yeah, this commit is already done. Infra initialize, isn't that?
No, it's not. It's not. We are redoing it. We
Oh,
don't
yeah,
have
'cause
test
it's,
project yet.
I see.
Yeah, the PR that our brother Burim did previously had a bad commit history, so that we are redoing it in the session so that we know how to do it properly.
Yeah, initialize unit test project.
It's initialize unit tests.
Yeah.
Tests.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, commit all and push.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it says
So,
here.
so
Unable
what
to push the
unable to
remote
push the remote.
Yeah, there comes the problem here.
Okay,
So-
okay, nice.
Says update your branch by pulling before push.
Pull, yeah, can you pull then push?
Yeah, pull
So
pull
pull?
and then push.
Pull then push
Oh,
on
pull
the
then
left. Yeah.
push. Okay.
Yeah. Pull completed with conflicts.
Yeah,
with the
the
refugee
conflict
Well,
showed up.
completed with conflict and the
Okay.
refugee.flow to
Okay.
resolve the conflict and submit the results.
So here it says
resolve
here
the
it says-
conflict. So how do you resolve the conflicts?
Okay, that's perfect
We have
chance
to,
to learn.
yeah, we have to settle this on a Git window.
We
Okay.
can
No,
do
I
that.
think it
And discard. We decide on Git window which GitHub window, which one to keep and which one to discard.
So we need to go to
just
GitHub.
double click. That's error, I guess. Maybe the compare open merge editor. Just open merge
Okay.
editor. Yes.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
that's
Okay.
perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Merge
yeah.
editor is yeah.
Can you make it larger? Yeah. Oh, nice.
This is how much it is.
Just click for this one, the first your local one.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. I understand. The thing is that he says, "Oh, but you have already those branches that exist. Do you want to really get rid of them
Which
on the
one?
road
Which
too?"
one do you
Okay, I
want to
see.
get?
So
Okay, we want to get the second one.
I think you should click on accept merge. No,
Yeah,
there is
no,
a button.
Yeah, you need to check.
Yeah.
Compare
to check.
current.
No, just 1
What you
minute.
do?
Actually, just click this one, the last local one. See, just click
The
this
current
one.
local? Just click
No,
on that?
don't click the full one. Just click the down checkbox.
Down checkbox this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Click this one.
Okay.
See, it will be show you down the final things.
Okay.
The right side it will show the remote one. The left side it is in your local, and the down one is the merge one.
Yeah, so that's the remote one which we had.
Yeah.
And this is a change
now-
that we made on the current local.
Yeah. Now accept merge. There is a top button.
A
Accept
button.
merge,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Accept merge.
Yeah,
Thanks,
now-
Alex.
Now what? Oh.
And now is it?
Now push. Now commit.
So you can do. Okay, we can commit and push. Redo the infra comment.
So we have to redirect this? Okay.
Yeah.
And hold on, please hold on, brother. So you had, so this is the sequence of your commits. You had three unwanted commits, and then you added force infra commit, and then now you are merging. You are doing merge commit. So in this case, you can say merge upstream into, or you can say merge. And say what you are merging. That can be an option, because that tells what you did. You did a merge. You resolved the conflict. Yeah, this is an option. You would say just merge.
Yeah, descriptive and sounds good.
Okay.
Yep. Can you delete this and say merge?
Okay. In capital?
Yeah, all capital. I have seen a couple of times where people say all capital, and that, yeah, resolve conflicts also good. Yeah, somewhere I saw this merge message, and we'll clarify this from Ustaz as well.
Yeah, resolve conflict.
Resolve
Commits,
conflict.
right?
Yeah, conflict. And you commit all and push, as you do always. Yeah.
Commit all and push. Initialize and push. Successful push version of
Okay.
user.
And try to open a
faithful
pull
to
request with that, and we'll see the commit history.
Okay.
Try to rename it to merge, like the same thing you called it, no?
No, it should be.
No?
No, it should be infra.
It should be infra initialize unit test.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what his branch did.
Okay, I see. Yeah, okay. That was so we renamed the commit merge, and now this is the title of the pull request. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's hope that three commits
Create pull request.
and create the pull request.
Okay. Tread, anything on the comment?
Yeah, we can leave a comment like closes the issue number.
Yeah.
After this commit gets accepted, automatically closing the reference issue number. Hash.
And then hash. Yeah.
Try initialize structure.
Yeah, this one.
And then create pull request.
Oh, I've learned stuff today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now I learned that one where I had that error before, but I wasn't sure what to do with it. So
yeah,
brilliant.
I also had that error before, and I resolved it
great
from
job.
online, online directly on GitHub.
Oh, really? Okay.
Website.
So it looks like it's good.
What do you think, Elbeck? Are you satisfied like that, or look at him?
No, the 3 commits are still remaining. 3 commits are still remaining.
Oh, in here?
Yeah.
But how come?
Because
Okay.
Yeah,
like because otherwise it was right. That because we didn't do the hard, and so okay, so my bad. And so how do we do? So do we do it from scratch, or do we try to
okay, may I offer you an explanation
alternative
on this regard?
Okay.
That is, we have learned a lot more things in this peer request, and using this GitHub is a very basic requirement is how we are progressing the project. If in any case we have to revert back, or what was our fallbacks and how we recovered from those, that everything is kept track here. So maybe I think as we have corrected our code base fault, we should not be very much aware of the old 3 commits. And let's wait for Ustad Hassan what he suggests.
I agree. To have the history of this is good to learn, because at the end the last commit is what we want, and it shows the history of the fuck ups. and we can learn about it. Can we add a comment to refer back to this video, maybe, to let people know how we done it properly, or well,
Yeah,
you know,
once
if
the
they are
video
interested.
will be updated to channel, then anyone can comment referring the video.
So do you agree? Do you remember the standard is not the Bible or the Quran? If we're agreeing that it's a good thing for the community to see something happening like that, you know, oh, I had the same error message, I did that, no. What do you think?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. So that's
So
the
what
reason
Brother Elbeck suggests?
that's the reason we are here.
This
That's the
not-
reason why everyone here to learn the things and teach to the community.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
I try to follow the standard very strictly. You know, I remember Shri telling me remove that empty space after your method declaration, and I just did
the
it.
training
Empty space. It's just an empty space. I just removed it.
Yeah, but you have to learn to criticize also. You have to learn to. I understand that you want it to be perfect, but life is not perfect, and there we have a proof of it, and we have a proof of us together finding some solution. So I totally understand where you come from. I know that there is the video to help people, so either way it would be fine. If you really want us to start again, and we can do it, and it would be a good way to show people how to initialize from scratch. But a video already exists on it, and I don't know if we need it, but either way, I'm gonna let you call it for this time. Maybe I will fight you a bit harder in the future.
Yeah, because we need to learn from our failures.
Yeah.
So that
One
is
more
good
thing
for
I can share.
Yeah.
That is, if we want to do it as our brother Elbet is suggesting, to very clean way.
Yeah.
Create a new branch, do it a very clean way, and then commit. For that case, we will have to close this pull request, and this pull request will also be in the history of the GitHub.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I am referring that either way we do, the final result is already achieved, and the histories are kept in the GitHub. So what I am waiting for Brother Elbeck. What does he suggest?
I think it's a good idea.
I totally agree with brother Yasser Arafat. He just told what my heart was telling and what my tongue could not tell.
Yeah. So I'd like to add a final comment to this. Let's put a link on the, you know, the nice commit, the one that is perfect. Let's put a link to the closed issue that was a mess.
Yeah, we'll
to see, like, you know, like we had to, and explaining, we had some we had some issues to have it we had some conflict or something like that, a tiny comment that explained the error we came. We, you know, like that. If people want to initialize the unit test project and looked at how we did it, but they do not understand why they have an error, they can see, oh, they had an error on the other branch or another pull request, and they can click and see what we've done in the merge.
Oh, okay.
And see this video maybe.
Hey, hold up, guys.
Okay. Is it Hassan?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. So he's in his mobile phone or away from computer. Let's wait for his response. He's typing. He'll give us the final response. He'll say the decision.
So
meanwhile, I was trying to give some input here to Brother Flo. That is, I did not work for a very long gap, like 6 years, but being in the industry, I always watch what are what are the changes taking place, and the design, what is it is called design patterns, principles, and I find this standard is too sophisticated, and the word standard is really reflected here. So but I also think like brother Elbek, that is we should keep tightly here coupled to the standard the declarations.
Okay. So here's the final word.
I think we are going to scratch everything and start it up.
Yeah, that's what Ustaz is suggesting. So he said just.
But that was a good experience with Git.
Yeah,
and I'm not used to Git because that's the first time I'm contributing with other people. I was just used to do my own project, committing the way I want, messing around. and so yeah.
Okay,
maybe
so
I'm too flexible for the moment.
Here Ustaz suggested to start over, not to modify the commit history, just as we did right now. So we had 3 bad commits and we did it correctly in the last 2 ones, right? So he says, just start over with new branch and create a new PR. So because it will help us learn. Everything that we are doing here is for our learning. So that's
okay.
Yeah, that's
so who's gonna do it? Is it Darim? Darim?
Burim already had done twice.
Barim?
I mean, it's fine. I can do it again. It's not a problem.
He should be watching now and guiding others.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I mean, yeah.
I think Albik, you can do it now.
Oh, me? Okay.
Why not?
Yeah,
why not?
yes.
Why not?
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me share my screen.
You better be fast.
Yeah, I'll try. I'll try.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So here. So I'm contributor and I will here in open source refugee. Yeah, I am opening it.
Don't you already have the project on your?
Yeah, I have the project. Yeah, I'm very confident that Brother Burim can do it in 10 minutes right now. I'm pretty sure,
So, yeah.
since he knows how to do it well, and yeah.
So what's your plan, Albek? Can you explain what you're going to do? So you're going back to your main local branch, then you're pulling everything from origin to be sure to be up to date, because you do not want to branch out from another branch. You want to branch out from the main branch.
From the main branch. Yeah. And I updated my local branch, and I go to here and I say new branch, and as always, users, Albek developer, and
infra
initialize
initialize unit tests. That's, I can say unit test project or anything, or I can keep it simple. So I create a new branch and I right click on the solution and I say add. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, you see everything. That's fine. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just making it bigger so that people from their phones can watch.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, so I'm adding a new project, and the project type is XUnit project, not NUnit. It's XUnit.
Yeah.
XUnit test project. Here I chose C#, and let's pay attention to the naming convention. I say refugee.core
.api
.tests .unit, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
I
so.
think it's, is it? Okay. I'm not sure. If it's
Like you could
section.
argue, would you like to get rid of the .api? But I don't think so.
Is it unit before test or?
Because
that's different.
those are the tests of the. We are only going to test the refugee.core.api project. Aren't
Yeah,
we?
but yeah, that should be an argument. When such thing happens, I just go to some standard project that's well established and everybody knows, and it says core. They don't have look.
Yeah, but
they have
yeah,
core
they do not have the
testing.
.api.
API, and it
Their
follows.
API is
Okay.
just called core.
Yeah, tests.
Just core test unit. Okay.
Yeah, but because they didn't named the same way. They named their project .core and not .core.api. So maybe you should look at another project to see a project where he calls it .core.api to see if he names it .core.api.
Check the OSSS.
Oh, Sophie also has API. Let's see.
Yes,
so it has API
Yeah,
test
Sophie also has
unit.
API.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm not confident in naming, I just go to any standard projects and look what they are doing. So we use .NET 7 directly. And here we are. Oh.
Yeah, so is it from .NET 6 or .NET 7 that they introduced the global using?
Yeah, it did using
.7, I think.
.NET 7.
So so you can grab the using into the usings folder.
Yeah, using.
Yeah. So how can I enable? So
no, but just get rid of the file and put it back. Do not overcomplicate things.
Yeah,
just grab this. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, and re-implement put the using up there on top of the file.
Do you want me to do like this?
Yeah, like that. Yeah. And don't forget the copyright too.
Also, okay. So public should return
to
true. Okay. And here we are.
Well, hey guys, it's kind of slow, isn't it?
No, it's fine. Okay.
Let me grab the file header. Yeah. Let me slap this in here. And I think we are good to go.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
I think.
Can you remove this line 7?
One thing I would suggest, that is a build. Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, you suggested to rebuild the project. Yeah, you're.
And always asked if you suggested to get rid of the line 7th.
Yes.
The 7th line, but I think there must be an empty line between the using and the names.
No. That is required, because using that is another section where we will be using many different references.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
So between namespaces and using statement, there should be some line. That's basically.
You could argue for the 5th one. You could argue that the 5th one could be like.
No. Yeah. That is also the same tradition we are following.
Yeah.
Okay, so here I guess everything is so built successfully, and I say infra.
Oh wait, you made the mistake.
Really?
In the delete me, yeah. The delete me, man. You the namespace. You added the scope.
Okay, scope.
You added a scope for the namespace. You have to get rid of the scope. It's ugly.
Come on. Do you mean this?
No.
Get.
No. It's wise unit test project. and I'm the commit and push, and everything is good and dandy. Okay, it's pushing, I guess. So here's a new click button, create pull request, and the title is already good for me.
That was a joke. That was a joke for Mehdi.
Okay. So close.
Or double checking the confidence level.
Yeah, you're right. So
yeah, and Beck was so focused. He was like, "No, don't mess me with it. Don't wait."
So guys, here's the PR. Please review it, so I can click you. Can I click Hoffman? No, I can't. Okay.
Do you want me to review your code right now? No, let's go on something else, like, because we stayed a long time on this.
Okay, so we have done one thing here, and I'll be closing this our lovely friends PR. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I made. I'm really sorry that I made my brother Burim do 2 PRs and I couldn't merge this, but
but Burim made all the work he needed to learn everything about the Git, and I learned a lot with him too, so it wasn't a waste at all.
Yeah,
and you learned things too.
Yeah,
because of our mistakes.
Yeah, everyone learned. So here we have refugee model, and we have so setting up storage broker. Brother, have you seen somewhere people setting up the broker?
Yeah.
Really? I haven't seen such PR anywhere. People what usually they do.
If what do you do if I found some?
I can
be in deep. You're going in deep doo-doo, huh? Be careful,
if you I don't know. I have never seen.
Let me introduce in juvenile coder.
I'm telling you that I really saw, like, I didn't just pull this from nowhere. I was following maybe the Tarafo project or some project on Hassan website, YouTube channel, I mean, and he done the setup like that. So
okay.
I could have created the issue, but I was like, I'm just going to split the setup of the storage broker and the implementation of a broker.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
but
I'll
if
have a look at it.
it's not up to date, I can scratch it, and we can let maybe Yassir or Weiss do it. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, our brother Yasser wanted to introduce new team.
Yeah, introduce a juvenile coder. Yeah, team. Because his mother is going to prepare food for him, and I have no one else to keep him.
Yeah, I see.
What is his name, brother?
He is Abdul Rahman Imdadullah.
Abdul Rahman. Okay. Abdul Rahman.
And Imdadullah.
The last word is too difficult for me.
Yeah, it's difficult for me too.
Imdadullah. Let me Imdadullah.
Imdadullah. No, Imdad.
Yeah. Florian.
Florian.
Yeah, that is the help from the Almighty Allah.
Okay. Okay. It's very good name.
Okay, let's.
Very good name.
Yeah, so I have choose it very selective way.
Is it your only child?
Well, this is my second issue, and I was gifted. last year I got a COVID situation, and there at that time I was gifted this baby. Its mother suffered a lot, and I was at the first floor of the hospital. That was a gynae and obstetrician section, and the below was ICU, where every day I saw people are dying, and I had to go through many things.
Yeah.
Like 10 months back.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you have a beautiful child. I'm glad that he's good. Well.
Yeah. He's he seems doing well. Like he's in good health.
Yeah.
Like
So
already focusing on the screen like his dad.
Yeah, these guys are too much attracted to lights and color changes.
Okay, so do you need to take some time for before? I mean, will you stay with your kid on your lap, or do you need to take some time with him?
Yeah, I'll be staying here. No issue. You will not be
okay, brothers.
Problem for me.
So here we have done one PR together, and we have discussed some of the issues, and we have 1 minute more. So would you like to do some session, or would you like us to meet up tomorrow as well? Because we are 5 now, we can do more sessions together and do more coding if you want. So
yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Just as they are doing the new projects with Ustaz and other guys, we can do the stream as they do every day. So that depends on you, brother.
Yeah, sure, why not? I guess we could do something else, because we've not done actual, like we didn't add a lot, so it would be nice to add a new building part to the project, like so not just redoing something that went wrong, but actually doing something. So we can close the first part of today, do a second part where we implement a new issue. It's fine for you guys.
Yeah, what do you think, guys?
Okay, but so you're sending the link on Discord?
Yeah, tomorrow then we will be talking again. We'll be.
No, I mean right now. I mean right now to implement something right now.
Oh, okay, let's do it. Yeah. I will send the link to you over Discord. If you want to join, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you later.
Okay.